Okay. Max, what do you understand with strength and conditioning? Yung mix. Kasi they're trying to mix the system.
Strength and conditioning is specific workouts that build your capacity for those specific moments.
Hindi ko naiintindihan yung tinatapang. Supporting tinatapang. Okay, so my topic is strength and conditioning. For those who don't know me, since I study on Catholic, so I was a football also in the region. But I'm also a strength and conditioning coach. This is your medal. I used to be strength and conditioning coach of F2 and Cherry Eagle. If you watch basketball, if you watch NBBL, yung Batangas City, Tango Aero Masters, and also the strength and conditioning coach. So, almost every 2 weeks, I'm actually here in Batangas City. Oh, why did anybody move? Again. Okay. Listen. The person without a group will do push-ups. If you don't have a group, you do push-ups. Ready? Four kayo. Group together. Where's your group? 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 Forward kayo. Forward kayo. Baba. Dalawa kayo. Sino ba kulang? Sino bang 4? Ba't kayo 4? See? There shouldn't be any 4 group. Only 3. Turn. Okay. Yes? Yes yun na? Okay now, I want you to form your group closer together. Closer. Huwag kayo magtabi-tabi. Kasi magugulo kayo lahat. Huwag kayo magtabi. Bukan mo lang yun. No, I mean your group. Okay, guys. Nasa warm-up pa lang tayo. Ready? You have to move fast. Yun. Okay na. Move. Sumaga ka. So, okay. Wait. Punta ka dun sa other side. Dun sa gitna. Please. Basta kayo sa dyan. Okay. Now, there are 2 guys without a group. Ibig sabihin, there will always be 2 guys without a group. Every time you hear this, if you run, there will be 2 guys without a group. Tama? Those 2 guys na walang group, 1 push-up. So you have to find a group fast. Ready? And apat kayo. Sino ba? Group nyo? Sino yung dalawang wala? 1 push-up. That's why you need to open your eyes. You need to respond fast. That's the drill. Now, who doesn't have a group? Solve. Okay, now, mainit na. You're sweating. So that's hard. We raise the heart rate and body temperature through a game, through jogging. Next one is activations. Now I want everybody to form a big circle around. Go, form a big circle. Bash. Ito ba? Bash. Jump. Jump. Good. Everybody go do the clap. Everybody move to your side. And we'll go down to your elbows, like this. Okay? We will try to hold this position for 30 seconds. Okay? Start activations. This is for your core, this is for your lower back, this is for your hips. Ready? Everybody?